Welcome back to the NCSU Weather Forecast Center. I'm Meteorologist Ashe Simpson, and I'm going to start things off right now with a viewer pick coming from Mark DeMaria. Look at that beautiful lightning strike over Engineering Building 2 on Centennial Campus. If you have any pictures of weather around the NC State area, go ahead and send them to ncsuweather, ncsu.weather@gmail.com, and you could see your picture on one of our forecasts. Okay, I'm going to start things off and tell you a little bit about a cold front that's headed our way. As well, I'm going to talk about the rainy September we've had, and it's only a week into September as well. Is there more rain on the way? I'll let you know coming up soon. Okay, here's a breakdown today as you're headed class by class. Starting things off at 9 a.m. the temperature's around 71, a little more cloudy. Those clouds are going to start to break up as we head out into the day. 81 around noon and hitting our high around 86 as you're getting done with class around 3 p.m. today. And here's a look at our satellite. A few clouds over the area. Those clouds are going to move out over the next day or two, and this system's going to push off, get a little clearing for the next day, probably just today into tonight, and then this cold front, it's on its way down. So tonight you might see some rain. This evening temperatures getting down to 72. You'll be asleep when those thunderstorms come, but tomorrow, unfortunately, it will be raining probably all day. A little bit cooler, only a high of 78 tomorrow with winds coming from the northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And here's a look at tomorrow. That cold front you see is coming even closer, and as that way makes its way through this weekend, it's going to move pretty slowly. So all weekend we're probably going to see a good bit of rain and a good bit of thunderstorms all across the NC State area. Now, I know you're thinking, wow, that's a lot of rain so far, and it really is. September 2014, it's only a week into it, and we've already had 2.22 inches. As on average for September, it's usually only about 4.36 inches, so we're already 2.14 inches away from beating the average. So after this rainfall this weekend, we could beat the average, but we'll just have to see. So here's your 5-day breakdown, starting things off. Again, Thursday, it's going to be a little rain overnight, high of 89. Friday, 60% chance of rain with a high only around 78, getting down to 68 Friday night. Moving into this weekend, see a 70% chance of rain and thunderstorms on Saturday. High of 80, getting real cooler Sunday around 73. There's a chance for thunderstorms and rain to taper off the start of your week on Monday with temperatures sitting around 76. And as always, remember to like us on Facebook at NCSU Weather, follow us on Twitter at NCSU Weather, and check out our YouTube page /NCSU Weather for all of your localized forecast updates. Again, I'm Meteorologist Ashe Simpson, and thank you for joining us.